$500 million worth of AI tokens spent in a single month. Can you even grasp that? There's a company out there that spent $500 million on AI tokens in one single month. Now, I don't know if you've heard any crazier story than this last week, because this is already pretty high up there. And what's worrying me a little bit is that it hasn't even made headlines. And look, I'm pro AI. I love AI. I use AI for everything. I'm a developer, so I use AI for coding all day long, and I love it. But there is a limit to how stupid we can be, and I think this is that limit, and we finally reached it. And honestly, we're bound to reach it at some point, because there was this huge AI race, this crazy AI race with all the companies firing all their developers, their development team, and replacing everybody with AI, and we knew that didn't work, because we've seen it before with countless departments being replaced by AI, which turned out wasn't possible. Just go online and you will see that every company that the last couple of months said that they would fire the development teams and replace everybody with AI are finally backtracking, because they're realizing that AI isn't everything it's sold to be. And this is where you realize that all the people in power, the CEOs, the managers, everybody that can make these kinds of decisions to go with AI and replace entire team with AI actually have no fucking clue what they're doing. They don't understand who they're replacing. You can't replace a designer because AI suddenly can make images and pictures and drawings. It just doesn't work that way. You can't replace developers because AI suddenly can write code. That's not how it works. So get it through your head. It's not how this works. Yes, AI can do a lot of things. It can automate a lot of things. It can search for a lot of things. It can analyze a lot of things. But what it can't do, and I know it's gonna be hard to believe for some people, but AI can't think. AI can't think like a human. AI can't create new things from nothing. And in something as complicated as coding, as development, not being able to think outside the box literally is a disadvantage. You know, there's a couple of people out there that went the AI coding route and built something crazy that exploded, and it's making tens of thousands of euros from it. But believe me when I tell you this, it's not thanks to AI. Behind everything, there's always a human being that thought outside the box. A human being that was able to take their idea and translate it into something AI could use. And in none of these cases were they just letting AI think for them. They did all the heavy lifting and they just let AI execute their plan. That's how it works with AI. You can't remove entire development teams and have somebody just prompt their way out of it. It doesn't work like this, because development is not all about coding, which is the only thing AI can do. Coding and development is about thinking. It's about planning. It's about taking millions of variables around you that you see, that you feel, that you know, that you've been told to, put them in a box, mix them together, and that is just not what AI can do. And maybe if you have $500 million, $500 million each month, that is gonna increase exponentially as you implement new features and write new shitcode into your shit code base. Maybe if you have that kind of money, you might come out the other way with a decent product, with a decent code base. But for the rest of the world out there, this is just not how it works. So stop thinking AI can do everything, because it can't.